once again, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor for me to be standing before you all today as the host of this event.
이렇게 귀한 손님들 오셨는데 우리가 뭐 좀 해야 되지 않겠어요? 네, 그렇죠? 네, 네, 좋습니다, 좋습니다. 감사합니다, 감사합니다.
파키스탄의 명문대학인 너무르의 우리 한국과 학생들이 저희를 위해서 이렇게 성대한 환영의 노래를 불러주셔서 너무너무 감사합니다.
I'm sure most of you understood, but there is one thing that our chief guest said that I don't want anyone to miss. And that is, he said that if you come to Korea University, if you have a plan to become a professor, teacher in an organization, and if you come for your graduate study, he said that you will get your tuition fee waived off.